Breathtaking sunrises, the smell of salt in the air, a relaxing warmth that comforts the soul. For the last decade and a half, I've been visiting the coastal lowcountry of South Carolina with my family. Of course, I always bring my camera along in these trips, and over the years, I've compiled quite a collection of footage and photographs. Join me as we explore some of the wildlife of the region. Every evening at this local pond, hundreds of birds gather to roost after a long day. Egrets, wood storks, and great blue heron are some of the species that are regulars. It's reminiscent of a town meeting to go over strategies for the next day. The audio from my on-camera mic can't do justice to the decibel levels of all these birds talking at once. It's comparable to being at a rock concert, but instead of guitar riffs, it's the not-so-rhythmic cackles that are encompassing your senses. On any given day, all of these birds have to eat. For the most part, fishing in these small ponds is a fairly low-risk event. But the birds aren't the only creatures who are looking for their next meal. Imagine going to your local grocery store to shop for dinner, only to find a serial killer in the produce department. Okay, that might be a slightly over-exaggerated comparison, but you get the point. It's amazing to watch the birds and alligators harmoniously accomplish their daily routines. I think the birds understand they could easily be on the menu for the day, so they know when to take the safety-first approach. This cormorant is on the lookout for any danger. Some of the ponds have several gators that are well over 10 feet in length. The local turtles seem to be enjoying the activity as they soak up the warm sun. This great blue heron seems to be well aware of the potential danger. Maybe it's time to find another spot. Every time I visit South Carolina, I'm amazed at the variety of wildlife. From soft-stepping deer, a bald eagle drying its feathers in the sun, even a glimpse of some roseate spoonbills. The coast of South Carolina will always have a special place in my heart.